My student often ask a question: what is the difference between formative assessment and summative assessment? So in this video lecture, I will explain about what is the difference between formative assessment and summative assessment. So in simple word, assessment of learning is a summative assessment and assessment of for learning is formative assessment. So that is the major difference uh, between the assessment of learning and assessment of for learner. No, when for example, when the cook tastes the soup, that is a formative assessment. When the customer tastes the soup, that is summative assessment. So it's a simple definitions of, given by the poll about this assessment. So when we apply this formula in education, the assessment which is ongoing process is the formative assessment, and assessment that is going to conduct at the end is called the summative assessment. Summative and formative. With the summative assessment, students are evaluated upon completion of work and the focus is on the final product. With the formative assessment, students are evaluating during the work process and the focus is on improving the process. For example, summative assessment would be the state achievement test, and formative assessment would be a teacher response to the journal entries. So that is the difference between the formative assessment and summative assessment. Formative assessment. The formative assessment ongoing observation methods of evaluating design to measure student comprehension of the concept or task in order to identify area that require enhanced or adopted instruction. It emphasizes the mastery of classroom content instead of earning of grade or test score and is conducted throughout the entire instructional process to gauge student progress. So, results are then used to adopt instruction to meet student need. Feedback is also used to help students achieve their learning goals and take the form of specific suggestion for improvement and discussion of error rather than merely providing the correct answer. Example of format assessment include journal, learning log, the minute paper, concept map, direct summarization, integrated record, diagnostic test, and quizzes. So these all are the example of the formative assessment, which is concept map, direct summarization, anecdotal record, diagnostic test, and quiz. Summative assessment evaluation administered at the conclusion of unit of instruction to comprehensively assess student learning and effectiveness of instructional method or program. So now, I hope now you have understand what is the difference between the summative and formative assessment. Teacher can build in many opportunity to assess how students are learning and use them information to make beneficial change in instruction. The diagnostic use of assessment to provide feedback to teacher and student over the course of instruction is called formative assessment. It stands in contrast to summative assessment, which generally take place after a period of instruction and require making a judgment about the learning that has occurred. So its example are by grading or scoring test or paper. So this is the concept of for instance, assessment for learning. Assessment for learning is formative and involve both teacher and student in ongoing dialogue, descriptive feedback and reflection throughout instructions. Assessment of learning. Assessment of learning is summative and involve determine the quality of learning that has taken place at the end of unit or theme, term, semester or school year. Specific learning outcome and standardized reference point and grade level may be the benchmark for reporting. Assessment of learning primary user are policymaker, planner and supervisor. Assessment for learning primary user student, teacher and parents. Illiterate of 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who can learn, unlearn and relearn. So this is the major difference between the summative assessment and formative assessment. If you have any question, please write in the comment box. And if you like this lecture, please hit the bell icon for watching the upcoming video. Subscribe my channels and also give your likeness and dislikeness about this video. I hope that you will understand the difference between the summative assessment and formative assessment.